Welcome back to Autosphere. This is the official world premiere of the stunning Bugatti Tourbillon, live from Molsheim. Developed completely from scratch, this hypercar marks the start of a brand new era for the century-old luxury brand. Look at this iconic horseshoe design and the sharp, aggressive shape. It is built to completely shock the entire automotive world. Let's see the details. Underneath this aerodynamic body sits a massive, naturally aspirated V16 engine, combined with powerful electric motors. Together, this next-generation hybrid powertrain pushes out a mind-blowing 1,800 horsepower. Every single line on this carbon fiber body has been engineered for maximum speed and absolute cooling efficiency. It is pure art on wheels. While the exterior is beautiful, the interior is a complete revolution. The analog instrument cluster is inspired by luxury Swiss watchmaking, meaning the highest mechanical complication. Would you choose this V16 monster over a Chiron? Comment below and subscribe to Autosphere. Now turn up your volume and enjoy the beautiful premiere footage of this absolute masterpiece.